Yo guys, let's talk about how you can edit any PDF right on your laptop. To begin, please open MS Word on your PC, ensuring that you have an active subscription or license. Now on the left panel, hit that open button and browse through to where you saved your PDF. Pick the file and open it up. You're gonna see a little confirmation pop up. Just click OK. Heads up, it might not look exactly like the original PDF, but that's fine. Go ahead and make your edits. Once you're done, it's time to save it back as a PDF. So hit File, then Save As. Choose this PC as the location. Give it a fresh name. Save it as PDF, and boom, you're all set. You can run the same steps anytime you need to tweak a PDF on your computer. That's pretty much it, fam. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more free tech guides coming your way.